Yeah, it's already on. Okay. Hi, Golden Acres. My name is Subulele Nkosazana Kalela. As you know me, I am your face and brand ambassador. To my left, we have, do you introduce yourself? Yes, my father. And
Mama Teka Kalela.
yes.
Mom.
The mom. Yeah, so so I am doing this video because you guys did pose a special question. The question was, who is your biggest inspiration? I feel like my inspiration comes from both my parents. My parents grew up in a very not so great environment, and as they were growing up, they had to do certain things that in order to put food on the table. For example, I'm just going to be honest here. I'm being a little emotional, but it's okay. My dad, he basically had to work on the streets. So my father, growing up, we had to witness him working in the streets as a prostitute. It's so emotional for me because my dad is a very strong, who loves his family, and he would do anything to support us, and that's why he, chose to prostitute himself and
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
no, I'm just trying to explain just how you were so powerful in which you owned your body, and you saw that as a means to an end, just to put
Food on the table.
food on the table.
I don't even know how to prostitute.
I would, Dada. Why are you gonna lie?
What did I do with prostitution? Where did I prostitute, ma?
Yes.
I say, you see why you I'm calling it.
Like I want to understand why you shouldn't be ashamed of it first and foremost.
No, but the thing is, I just want to know which place did I ever. The only thing in that ends for me to make sure that you do a living, you get something, to get umsebenzi, ending out and your number.
That was Kaloku, and I felt like
the noun you are using to the adjective to describe the work I did is very, very, very unbecoming.
no, but that's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like you don't have to be ashamed of it.
I'm not ashamed of it, but the description, I'm not falling under that category of the prostitution side. Please. No, I cannot allow. I think Tema, no. Kawan's intervention.
Mama agrees, like, because the thing is, like, we saw this happening. You understand? Like, I was young, but I don't remember some things. But now that I've grown and like I was able to go to university and like understand sex work specifically, like now I understand exactly what you're doing.
Where is it coming from now? Sex work. Where is it coming from? Your mother. You? Into a vela, no, Mamma. You depend on being on top of my daughter.
Yo, utabe serious akale.
She my daughter. Ay.
Yo, guys, no. Okay, guys. Yo, but I tried hate. No, I tried. No, it's a prank.
Yeah?
It's a prank.
Was I go back to TikTok then?
When you go back to TikTok?
I don't serious.
Yani mama yo, hey my daughter.
Yo, no, it's actually a prank. It's going around. It's a challenge. I always wanted to do this, but like, yeah.
No, but Nottingham.
No, I feel like those are the best reaction. That's why.
Is it?
Ilun, you get your clutch.